In today's digital age, businesses need to have a strong online presence to succeed. And one of the key components of a successful online business is a well-designed user interface. That's where a UX/UI designer comes in. A UX/UI designer is responsible for creating user-friendly interfaces that help businesses connect with their customers. In a city like Bangkok, where competition is fierce, hiring a UX/UI designer can give your business a competitive edge. Here are some of the advantages of hiring a UX/UI designer for your business in Bangkok. UX/UI designer can help you save time and money. By designing a user interface that meets your business goals and customer needs, you can avoid costly redesigns and improve your overall ROI. In conclusion, hiring a UX/UI designer is a smart investment for any business looking to succeed in the digital world. Contact us at PimClick to learn more about our UX/UI design services in Bangkok.